everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. In today's video, we're getting into this balayage water wave curl wand look that I achieved on water wave hair. So let's get into it. Shout out to Ashimary for sponsoring today's video. I always enjoy partnering with them. We have a robe, we have some lace tape in a new shape, an edge brush with the spatula on the opposite end. We also have our HD wig caps, as well as some lashes and the edge band that we love with the earmuffs to keep your ears nice and comfortable. We also have some standard lace tape in the curve setting, some bobby pins, and then we have our bonnet. As for the unit itself, this is a 360 lace frontal wig with Invisi straps. It's a brown balayage highlight unit with adjustable fitting, pre-bleach, pre-cut lace, HD lace. We have our combs, we have an adjustable band, and then again you have your Invisi straps on the side. And y'all see the lace is lacing even for the hand test. Here are the curls. Like I said, this is a water wave texture and I have it in 24 inches. For my foundation, I'm going in with my favorite foundation lately, which is the slick back into the two braids. Pin those braids up, crisscross them, pin them straight up. Either way it goes, but this is just flatter than braids even, because that top is laying bald before you even put on your bald cap. So I'm just gonna braid this in two, and then we're gonna go in and bobby pin the pieces up to the top, and then I'm gonna go in with some alcohol just to make sure that there's no makeup where I will be applying product, so that I can get maximum adhesive or adhesion to my skin with the lace, the product, all of the good things. And then I'm going in with my Got To Be spray for my first layer, and then I'm going to follow it up with my Glueless melting spray by Wig Dealer. This has been my combo in the last couple of videos, and I enjoy this combo. Ruby Kisses Contour Cream Palette. Y'all know I don't stray when it comes to the makeup that I use. Again, a lot of people use powder, a lot of people use their foundation, but the cream does the best job. It doesn't give you that ghostly look that powder can give, and it's not liquid, so it goes on nice and thick, but it's not too thick to the point where it's just all over the place and messy. It goes where you apply it and it stays there. So now we're just cutting off that excess cap. Y'all see I did it with the fan this time because we didn't have time for all the dryer and the shenanigans. I let it sit for a few seconds and it was ready to go. We're cutting off that excess cap, and then it's time to go in with this unit. First impressions, y'all know I'm always give y'all the real. I was expecting a little more of an ashy tone to the highlights. They are more of a honey tone to the highlights, but I did not hate it. Like, it looks good. As you can see, the lace looks good even without doing anything, but we're going to go through and lay that down. I did use the ear tabs to lay down my sideburns because y'all know sideburns can be a headache as is. And then I'm going in with my Glueless melting spray all along that hairline, and I'm just going to tie that down and let that melt. I didn't apply any heat. This just melted by the time I was done styling the rest of the hair very well, and that's why Wig Dealer Glueless melting spray is my holy grail, because it just gets the job done. It's not a hassle to use. It's very beginner friendly, and it works when you're trying to get it done on the go. I'm going through and widening my part because y'all know that's just what I enjoy doing. And y'all saw I went in with my wax stick in the hot comb as well. Now I'm applying some face framing layers just to give it more of a custom look. And then we're gonna go in and see how this lace is looking. Y'all see, just from a few minutes with the melting spray, is doing what it needs to do. One thing Ashimary always gets right is their lace. I really enjoy working with their lace. It's thin, it's always pre-bleached, and it just melts right into the skin very nicely. And now I'm just gonna go in with a darker cream foundation, and y'all see that just gives a nice finished touch to help that lace continue to melt into the skin. And here's how it's looking with no baby hairs. Y'all know that is optional, but y'all know 9 times out of 10 I'm gonna go through and add them. So that's what we're gonna do here, and then we'll come back to style.
7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take it, drink to make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take it, enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life. If it's strictly with the fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take it, enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, it was strictly with the vibe. It's a lie, they a dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world, concrete, how it go. Heartache, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Get it, they coming for sure.
Woke up today, look at your picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted.
If I do, I'll do it first. toes. And I'm with you, everything goes. Come and put that on my
Now that we have our edges laid down and marinating real good, we are going to brush this hair all the way out. It's holiday season. It's time for the holiday parties. And y'all know one thing I'm always an advocate for when it comes to hairstyles are wand curls on textured hair. Water wave, deep wave, kinky straight, kinky curly. Wand curl that baby and get into the magic that it gives. Like, it just gives such a look, especially for the holidays, especially with color. Color and curls are already a good duo, but then you add that texture piece in there and it's just so chef's kiss. So I'm just going through and wand curling all of this hair, but you just want to make sure that you brush it out first, and you want to make sure that you use a good holding spray. I'm just using Tresemme in the black bottle. I believe it's the extra hold, and again, going through and wand curling. I thought with the density of this hair that it would take forever in a day, but it honestly wasn't that bad. Put you on a good show, a good podcast, maybe some good music, and just get to curling, okay? Once you get to the front, you're going to curl away from your face, but until that point, you can alternate going backward and forward, and we're just going to continue the same steps on the opposite side, and then we'll come back to get into the finished look. Y'all see it's already giving what it's supposed to.
This world, concrete flowers grow. Holidays, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it popping on the low. Better days coming to show. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. I take away the pain, I give you everything.
Now that all of the curling is done, I'm doing one more all over spray with my hairspray and then going through and separating the curls so that they don't look so uniform. You want them to look a little worn in. And then once we're done separating the curls a good bit, we can reveal the edges. And as y'all can see, they are laid down. And I love the Invisi straps because they just give that super snug feel so that your wig isn't feeling gappy in the back. That's a very annoying feeling. If you know, you know. But the Invisi straps make it so that it just gives a nice, snug, custom feel and fit. And here is the finished look. Wand curls are, I just love a good wand curl on textured hair. I can't say it enough. Here's a close-up of the lace. It speaks for itself. And now we're going to do a couple of styles. Here's how it looks with the flip over side part. And then this updo just screams, I'm going to the holiday function and I'm bringing a look with me, okay? So let's get into these styles and then I'll be right back.
I just wanna see when you wanna see this world. I trust you, I tell you, I won't waste your time, I turn it off just so I can turn you on. I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you, I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it off just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends get popping on the low. Better days coming for sure. Why are you coming for it?
So there you have it. This wig is versatile as far as how you can wear it. No style is complete without the classic pose. All of the information will be linked below, and it won't be long before we're back with another hair video. See y'all in it later.
Don't wanna stop.